huge material. Cables has to be there when you go to a doctor in a hospital. We are working on a ECG is a substrate like this paper. Paste it on the chest of the patient. You move around. Your activity will be monitored and measured. See the world how it is heading for, where it is going now. But our country still it is in the nascent stage. IITs of the country, IISc of the country, the topmost bodies I'm naming, still they are yet to not understand, they are yet to define, design, formulate, derive, deliver the deliverables of printed intelligence for the in-house consumption and for the spot market. Imagine the whole human capitalist development. I assure all of you in this session, including the ASAP committee, I'm a ASAP team, you can inform your ASAP secretary, MD, and also the minister, Mr. Shivankuti, to honorable minister to understand the skill set of how this has to be brought down. For information, the Kerala government has already passed a cabinet order for this industry. We are looking for a team to run the show to create an ecosystem where ASAP can pitch in the skilling and training segment. And KSIDC, I already informed the MD, they will speak in the industrial segment, Kelton, all these things. Now, I'm not going to that part of the scenario. I'm putting this word because you all maybe majority will be from this part of the territory region. So you can do your groundwork, homework, and smart work. How you should utilize I4 to grow yourself on the knowledge basis, to become a technopreneur through passionpreneur know-how. That is why you attending the session today. I call all of you guys as passionpreneurs. Then from there, you are becoming a technopreneur, then entrepreneur, then industrialist. The transition of passionpreneur to technopreneur to industrialist has to come from this session, which is the emergence and evolution of a knowledge intelligence in the region. So when I say this again, deep into the specific demo part, I'll touch only 2-3 slides. The rest of the sessions, our co-speakers will color. My focus is to how you should utilize I4 with the support of the government decision makers in the country. I talk on the country level. In the country, such a huge economy, world has such and India is a huge economy. How to utilize the huge economy in usability, in utility, contributing your in-house strength to transform the deliverables of your know-how, extracting, capturing what I4 is going to give you for your gain, for your society, for your state, for the national level, and for the international level. I will say you should contribute to the global ecosystem. You talk of global warming. You should contribute to the global ecosystem, starting from Kerala, the Goldstone country, which we claim as illiterate. 100% is illiterate. Entire state, 28 states we have. We in our index, if you see, we are illiterate. Sorry for that. We are literate. We are totally literate, 100% literate. So in that literate concept, is literacy transforming to knowledge, knowledge transforming to usability, usability transforming to utility, utility transforming to industry, industry transforming to economy, economy is formulating a global system which the country will honor all of you in the national and capturing the international spectrum or global spectrum and see and forecast a futuristic India for which 2025, as you are saying, PI-thon is going to be organized, and we are planning to have a platform of a European Union delegation in India, second half of this 2025, where the government, center and states and many states government will be participating. A clear committee is getting constituted in various parts of the region. So for the work is going on. I would appreciate from today's session the people to pitch in to have this hardware knowledge, intelligence for the region, such a way that anything in the hardware industry, in any name you domain, which I mentioned before, let it be consumer goods, let it be applications, high-end world like space world, defense world, etc. Without printed intelligence, printed electronics, flexible electronics, it is impossible for the world to survive. Next February last, a general assembly is happening in Germany, where Dr. Remo from his team, I don't know whether he's attending, but his team, many people from many parts of the world, including me, is attending the session to understand the current scenario, how on cross-border, bilateral, pragmatic, progressive mechanism this has to be brought to the region for various benefits. I may take the benefits for my ecosystem. Everybody will take the benefits for their ecosystem. So how utilizing I4, the attendees today, including the HASAB, we should make a report to the government and the secretaries, where if your HASAB is very serious to formulate a platform, we're happy to take it, escalate to the chief secretary or other decision makers in the state to see that printed intelligence having an average of last 10 to 15 years have a say, have an acceptance to perform practically or to show that we are pragmatic, non-theoretical, we are practical people. We will realize the real-time application for the consumption of our own requirement, creating a good economy for the state, for the nation, and global level. Now, let me go back to my 2 minutes. I'll conclude because I have given the time up to 11 o'clock. So let me just show you the difference. I'll run. I'm eligible for video sharing. Am I allowed for video?
Yes. Yeah, you can share the video from your system.
We are not used to that much used to WebEx, or we all use Microsoft Team or Google and all those things. Little bit, for me, I feel it, but still let me manage. You should give me patience for 2 minutes. So, मेरे को
You can share the window in which the video is
ठीक है,
playing.
This is good. So now you are seeing my screen.
Yes. Yeah, your
Now you are
screen
seeing
is
my
visible
screen.
now. Yeah, yes.
Now I'm going to run a video. In this video, I'll not talk. The 100 participants has to visualize, navigate carefully, focus, and see what is happening before. This is what produced by the trained Indian engineers in Dubai territory, funded by the Dubai territory experts and government dignitaries 6 years back, 7 years back. But now for our region, still this is new. And this is the display which I am showing. But this display, the technology is the light for defense, the light for domestic, the light for industrial application, the light for medical application, the light for imaging, as you are saying, mentioning about me. This we have done already, proved and sold in the market, Dubai market. So with big sold displays of McDonald, Al Rawabi, Nestle company, all these samples, Red Bull, etc. Two samples. If you have time for me, if you give me 2 minutes additional, I can show. So this can be brought. You see the consumption of Indian market on this. You are drastically removing the conventional hard materials of electronics. There is no electronic waste. First of all, waste problem is a problem. State government, central government, all of us. How we will dump the electronic waste? There is a solution. Then this industry, why not? This industry, I'll talk. You can see, watch the video, but I'll keep on talking because I want to save time. This industry is tailored, customized to your need, which means anybody in this